Hi guys, the kitten is over here, and the sad thing, I cannot find their mom. I think the Hulu Bilal is chasing her, and they're like 2 days on, almost 2 days. They're by self, not really they're by self, but yeah, their mom is not here. So I said my backyard is little bit looking crazy because my construction, and the portal, then if I can show you guys, portal, Gopi, yeah, Gopi, portal, they are take care the kittens, and kitten is crazy. Oh, the all kitten is crazy. I don't know where is they. Where are you guys? Look. Yes. I can't. They're so fast. Like, they're so fast. Look at this. Look at them. Oh my gosh. It is so cute when they're kitten, like they're crazy. Looks crazy. Oh my gosh. They're so crazy. Oh. I have off tomorrow. So maybe I will clean up a little bit. I'm tired today. I could not sleep last night because of my inside cats. One of my cats, he has to be neuter, and not one, the Pakapu and Truth. We have to neuter them. Their whole night they're bothering us now. So a lot of going on. Lot of things is going on because the mommy cat is not here. Kitten is just by itself, playing, eating. They're enjoying, but still, there still was drinking mommy milk, but mommy is not here. Anyway guys, I will give nice video tomorrow. I just try because they are so cute. They are playing so cutely, so cute. Like they're just all the time run around, running. All the time they're running. Yeah. If they're playing like an open area, I can take a video nicely, but okay guys, bye bye.